Now our next transaction is of 11 January 2020 and it is cash sales of Corolla windscreen. One item is sold at 15,000 rate. So basically for cash sales actually means that you have the retail business as well. So on your retail shop or your retail business, walk-in customers regularly come and buy these items on cash. That means you don't need to record customer with name. You will record it with a generic name, that is cash sales. So normally this kind of sales is called sale receipt. That means you are selling the product and at the same time you are receiving the money. But in Peachtree, you have to record the credit sales first. We will create the artificial customer for which we will name it as cash sales, and then we will receive the money from it, because we only have option to record as credit sales first. So I'll go to customers and sales and sales invoice, new sales invoice. Now we already have 3 customers, but we will create the new one because cash customer is a generic name. So it is also a special category. So we will name it as C999 and let's say cash sales and save it and close. Now the transaction date is 11th January and the invoice number, you can mention any invoice number, but just remember that you have to enter the invoice number, otherwise it will not show up in receive payments option, this invoice. So date is settled and invoice number is this. Quantity is 1, item is Corolla windscreen, and unit price is 15,000. It's 0 right now because we are selling any kind of inventory item for the first time, and at the starting point we haven't mentioned the sales prices for these items, so that's why. So 15,000 is the total, and now all okay. Now let's save it. Now it shows customer ID doesn't exist. Let's select this customer and now save, and yes. Now let's go back. If you want to see or retrieve the existing records, you have to go back from here. And now if I want to see the background effect or journal entry effect of this entry, I can just simply click on journal. So it will show you the exact entry in the debit credit form. So account receivables is 15,000 and inventory is credit. That means sales is credit. So that's okay. Now since it is account receivable, we have to separately receive the money. Click on receive money and click on receive money from customers. Now in the starting we have set this company to smart posting. That means every time we are posting some other document, it will ask for the confirmation to finally post this sales journal. Let's click yes. Now cash sales, select cash sales, mention any reference number, mention any received number, and it is of 11 January and we are receiving cash. Now this amounts need to be paid in full. Click on pay and then click on save. Now if you want to go back, let's go back and check. Journal entry effect can also be checked. So similarly, you can see that whenever you're opening the same document again, it is asking you to post it finally. Click on yes. So this is how we deal with cash sales in Peachtree.